is TJ Nakano. I'm going to do the review of the sonic screwdriver toy. Okay, first I'm going to start with the packaging. Now, it's plain simple. All it has is David Tennant holding the sonic screwdriver, the name, the features, and all that kind of stuff. And the back has instructions, features, same thing mostly, but different picture. Okay, now I'm gonna open the package. What you got inside? You got the 2 nibs, sonic screwdriver, and psychic paper. Okay, first thing I'm gonna start with the sonic screwdriver. Now, sonic screwdriver, I'll let you look around. Okay, now features. Pretty cool. Just blue top. Very comfortable to hold. And now I'm going to show you how it works. You see there are 2 buttons here. Can you see that? Alright. There are 2 buttons here. Alright. One button. If you press this button, you'll activate from the bottom. If you extend it, this button doesn't work anymore. But this button, that'll start working. Oh, you'll be wondering how I extend it and put it back. There's a lever down here, you see? You can pull up and pull down. Yanking it, it's just gonna break it easily. Okay. Now, moving on to the pen part. Now, as you can see, there are 2 of them. One's a pen, and the other is a glow-in-the-dark one. Well, not glow-in-the-dark, but actually invisible. So, here we go. This one is the pen one. Okay, now, you don't pull it like this and it ends up like there. No. You pull the cap from here. And now, I'm going to switch it to invisible. So, lights are going to be turned off for a while, alright? Light number 1 and light number 2. Alright, now this doesn't work unless if you use the sonic screwdriver, the light, in order for you to see it. I don't know if you could see this, but Doctor Who. It's glow in the dark. Alright, moving on to the psychic paper. Now, I was just demonstrating right now. I could do it there. But, you'll be asking yourself, why aren't you going to do it on here? Well, thing is, about this, it's not that kind of paper stuff. Or some... It's a sort of fragile plastic, so punch a hole through it, scratch it, it's just going to create a mark. Actually, a sort of wallet, they said. There's a little pocket here too. So, and now I'm going to move to the how you put this in. Now, be back. Now, I'm going to use a screwdriver, not sonic, just a screwdriver. Alright, now you can see here right now, there's a cap, okay? This cap, if you pull off, you can see a screw down here. Now, it has to be a plus screw or something. And unscrew it. You have to pull it open, but be careful because the button is easily broken. Actually, it's very fragile, so slowly pull it out. Slowly, not yanking it. Okay. You can see here that you need those small round batteries. Okay. Now you can see here there's a button, and those are the 3 batteries. It'd be weird how you could just use it like this. Okay. As soon as it's hollow, put the cap back, like so. Sometimes hard to put back on. Pull it down slowly. Put the screw back in, as like so. Put the cap back on, and voila. Now, I'm gonna move on to the warning parts and of the show. Number 1, be careful because this part can fall off easily and you can lose it. Number 2, don't get this in your eye, mouth, or hand. Yes, I mean hand and skin. It's not good for you, okay? Number 3, be careful of this again, as I warned you before. And the other one, be careful not to pull it, or you're gonna screw up the screw, and yeah. So, I guess that's it for now. Well, gonna have to see you later. I got a busy day. I gotta get back to the TARDIS. The doctor's waiting for me. So, I'll see you later. Signing off. Bye-bye.